Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Order Entry widget in your Edge Desktop app. The Order Entry widget is where you would go to buy or sell a stock, and includes some more advanced methods to do so. If you do not currently have Edge Desktop installed on your computer, please see the link in the description below to activate the Edge platform and download it. To get started, simply open Edge Desktop and log in with your Questrade account. Once you're logged in, you will notice a row of icons at the top of the screen. Let's go ahead and click the Order Entry icon. You will notice the widget opens to a certain size and position on the screen. Each widget can be resized and moved around to your own preference. You can look up a specific symbol by typing it in the symbol lookup area in the top left corner, and toggle between stock and option by clicking the icon beside it. As an example, we will be using Apple. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. From the drop-down, you can select the order type. Market and limit orders are the most popular. Depending on the type of order you choose, a different window may appear. As an example, if you choose limit order, a window will open up where you would enter the price point you are willing to buy or sell at. You can choose the duration of the order here. The most popular options are day or GTC, which means good till cancelled. Then, choose a specific route to take for your order. If there is a sub-route available, you can choose it here. Lastly, select the account that you would like to place the trade in. Then, click Buy or Sell. If enabled, clicking the Buy/Sell options will bring up an order confirmation screen to review your order before sending it to the market. If it's not enabled, the order will go to the market instantly. Below are two checkboxes. Special instructions is used if you are making a more advanced trade. A drop-down will appear below it when checked, revealing more advanced trade options. Bracket order helps you set up a bracket order for trade so you can define an exit strategy right from when you first place the order. Checking this box will reveal additional information to fill out. Clicking Add Conditions will bring up a window that allows you to add conditions to an order that will need to be met before the order executes. If live data is not available for the security, you can click Snap Quote to get the latest up to the second price. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade Edge Desktop, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.